So here I just want to see. I try many kind of fly with this drone because I want to taste it. Very good. I was also manual. Today this I make bird eyes on top of the house. This to see how she's because I need to check every day. But it's really I'm very proud of this drone. It's smaller and pocket. You keep in the your pocket, so easy to use it. I'm very happy. So nice. Really so nice. And now here I was in the forest
Hello,
and I try a
guys.
lot of things with this.
Look how what I doing here.
Just this is manual.
I'm me, Marius.
This is
I'm in
my
the
first time I
forest
try manual,
here, and I doing many things.
not smart or noise manual from I can control from phone. Yeah, it's very nice. You, I think also the video is good. I mean, not so bad. I mean, it's okay for video.
And I like to
It's
enjoy this place. Is
amazing. I like.
beautiful, actually.
You can see also the view, the colors.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here, darling.
So yeah, it's nice in the forest to play with the drone.
I'm here.
Here I still learning how to do how it's working. So, but after I understand very well. It's nice. It's amazing, amazing. I really like it how it's working. It's
I sent to
okay
Mickey.
for the make some video in the
Go to Mickey.
some place
Ask
or
how
some
she's.
building to maybe you need one building or something to recording video or any company. I think it's good for some restaurant just make some video from outside and also from inside you can work with this. So you have your proper own person who record your video. So this is so nice actually. If you can do that. So nice.
I'm here.
And now I will be here and I will run somewhere in the forest. I try to hide. This is now is in follow me, so it's mod follow me now. But it's still working very good. I mean, I try to hide from the tree and she can look. It's a lot of tree here and she know how to not damage. I mean, crush something to damage the drone. So she have sensor and can the drone have sensor and it's very good. So it's not easy to catch this drone. Even you catch is very very weight of 100 grams. So it will not be so much damage because it's very look here. After I wanna try to hide from the tree, to see if he's really follow me or she will go straight. Look now. Yeah, but still, she know what to do. See now, see now. Wow. And the forest is, I mean, it's okay. My God. Well, the problem is when you fly in very up, you have to be careful to not be some bird because they will attack the drone, and after you'll damage. Sure. Just carefully with the bird because the bird doesn't know and they will attack. Never know. The bird, I mean, doesn't know what it's doing, but they think it's something funny and also like us. And here again, I play like manual. I want to see how they take just this video, both of us, me, Michaela, and we find this table in a forest. It's very nice to sit there, and maybe next time I will take some food and we eat here. I think it'll be nice to make some video when we eat in the forest. It's so quiet, so fresh air everywhere, so it's actually nice to enjoy the forest. It's amazing. Look, and I make this. It's manual. We can control manual with the mobile. Just to record the video to the forest. Take him some shooting. It's really proud. I'm so happy actually. So guys, I recommend to everyone if you want to buy this, not from, I mean, I don't get nothing from this company, but I do this because I really like it. Maybe because when I was small I don't have too much toys, and now when I'm big I working and I can buy whatever I like. So maybe that's why I buy a lot of toys. But it's a little bit different toys now. It's different kind of toys actually. Much expensive. Yeah. It's so nice. Look, here I try to make some pictures with the drone, because when you put the hand app, you know, they'll make a photo. I still play, you know, with this, like a baby. But it's nice. When you have day off, you don't have to do just even you don't. It's nice.
Let's go. Come on, my darling. With me. So look how it's working now. My drone is follow me and Mickey. So this is the place here in the forest actually. It's I'm so happy for this place. Actually, it's amazing. Hi, Mickey. How are you, Mickey, today? Nice, nice, nice. I'm together with the drone. We're follow. We get to follow. We're in the forest. So nice. A lot of fruit today. So now we go home because I want to eat some fish today. Will be very nice actually to eating some fish. So the camping Aeroscobi. Here's the camping Aeroscobi. Now here is a lot of house and nice camping. One of the best camping here. There you can visit here if you want someone. Can you can enjoy actually. It's really beautiful. It's a lot of car, a lot of people. That's not here. They're really living here, and it's actually so nice. Look, my drone with me. So follow me. I'm so proud. So I'm full of technology today. I have a lot of technology. No, Mickey? So now I'm already at the sea, actually. So nice. Look what I'm doing. Mm. Mm. So now let's go. So I feel so nice here actually because now you can control the drone how to be together and take shooting very good video. So I think it's amazing place. Wow. nice to be in the forest actually. Come on, baby, to me. I'm so proud of this drone because it's so nice. So nice. So nice. Так, це кал... Look, I wanna take off this drone. I cannot show you because it's on